Sure. My name is Kevin Kurtz, and I'm the operations manager here at Boise Cascade in Woodinville, Washington. I'm responsible for all the material handling, shipping, order receiving of all of our product in the building materials industry here in the greater Seattle area. We sell to local retail lumber yards and national chains and regional chains. We stock all the material to make a single-family house or multifamily apartment building, things like that. We service like mom and pop lumber yards. We service local chains in each market. We service the big national folks like Builders First Source, Home Depot, and Lowe's with building products for their retail customers. As a company, we've been using Combilift for about 10 years now total. At this location, we've been using them for 2 years now. We were facing both space constraints in our footprint here in our facility, and then also safety issues with handling large, long loads. We were having to balance those on traditional counterlift forklifts and having to fly those high up in the air at 16 feet to clear obstacles. So we were looking at a way to make that safer, keeping that product low to the ground and being able to go down long, narrow aisles with that product. The Combilifts helped us solve those problems because they can drive sideways left and right. We don't have to raise that material up in the air to clear obstacles. Reducing that risk of that product falling and hurting or damaging someone. And it doesn't matter how long it is. We're able to handle up to 66-foot long material and keep it only several feet off the ground. So we're able to keep that at a safe working height and transition throughout the yard from cantilever rack storage into bulk pile storage, all while maintaining that product at a safe height and also being able to fit more product into the same footprint versus the traditional forklifts. Working with Combi has been great. They're very responsive to any issues that do occur, and they're also very hands-on with providing the training, both visiting the location for training as well as sending us training resources. We were a little worried about the operators getting up to speed. That's a type of lift that nobody here had ever operated before. Most of our operators have been driving traditional counterbalance lifts for anywhere from 5 to 35 years. Now that they've been on it, they really enjoy operating it and want to stay on the Combi equipment versus going back to the traditional counterbalance. Our largest project here at our facility was in our engineered wood yard. What was previously broken up into 2 different spaces, occupying about 3 acres, we were able to reduce that footprint down into 1 space while doing so, handling that material at a safer height. We also use that in our Trex decking. We use the CB9 in our Trex decking area, and we're able to also go down to 15-foot aisles from 22 and 24-foot aisles, and then fit more product into the same space. We're going to use Combilift's free warehouse design program to help us plan future Combilift expansion into our facility.
So what advice would you give to other Boise facilities that are considering using Combilift?
I would advise them to utilize Combi and the team they have to help you design a space that will make your operations safer and be able to fit more product into the same footprint.